We got 3 things going on right now, but we got 2 things I'm worried about. So yeah.
Covering West Michigan to protect and alert you. This is News Channel 3, live at 6.
Well, good Saturday morning. We are weather alert this morning. Starting off with a look at the road conditions as the winter storm continues to pass through. This is a live look at Center and Portage. Thanks for joining us on this snowy Saturday. I'm Ellie Jenner-John. Let's get you started.
Weather alert day for this Saturday. That's for the threat for some heavy snow and also some gusty winds. That's going to blow the snow around and create some rapidly lower visibility out in those roadways today. This winter storm warning that continues for much of West Michigan through 7 p.m. this evening. An additional 2 to 6 inches of snow is expected, and that comes along with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Every county in West Michigan under that winter storm warning, with the exception of Branch County, you're under a winter weather advisory, just expecting less snowfall there. Here's a live look over downtown Marshall that you brought to us by our friends at Horizon Broadband. You can see some snow coming down at the moment.
Sorry about the audio, guys.
Certainly have some slick conditions out there in Marshall. And then also looking at the Kalamazoo Battle Creek International Airport, you can see that lower visibility with the snow coming down right there as well. We are seeing a heavier band of snow, say between Holland and Battle Creek right now. That's continuing to push off to the east, and we're now seeing a storm wrap around. We're getting this northwesterly flow, and that'll bring us some lake effect snow showers throughout the remainder of the day. So you can kind of see the storm moved off to the north and the east. This is the tail end of system snow. But with these winds coming out of the northwest, we'll see lake effect continue this afternoon. That'll carry us into Sunday as well. Right now, temperatures are right around 30 degrees, 30 on the nose at Kalamazoo, 31 in Battle Creek and GR. We're in the 20s in Sturgis, 26 degrees, 27 in Coldwater right now. And throughout the rest of the day, we'll notice these winds coming out of the west and northwest.
I have to get my ass in gear and get dressed.
35, 40 miles per hour. We can even see some gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour closer to the lakeshore. That's going to blow that snow around. It's also going to make it feel much colder. So temperatures in the 20s feeling like we're around 10 degrees all day, and that'll come along with some snow at times. How much more can we expect? How much longer does this last? I'll have all those details coming up in just a bit.
Yeah, just echoing what Colin said, we know that snow is going to continue falling heavily, and that's going to impact those driving conditions. We're joined now by News 3's Carter Landis. Live
He's new.
US 131 South near Stadium Drive. Carter, you're seeing crews out early working on the roads.
That's right, Allie. I have seen several salt trucks and snowplows going down the freeways here on US 131, and it is an absolute necessity right now given the conditions. We are seeing heavy, wet snowfall. These winds are blowing, and the roads are covered in snow. In the early hours of Saturday morning, after a Friday that saw significant snowfall, more of the same occurred. The dimly lit area of US 131 South near the Stadium Drive exit saw an occasional car, plow truck, or salt truck, but other than that, the roads were considerably unoccupied. And the sun has a few hours until it rises still, making already difficult visibility much more challenging. We're seeing
we know where it's at.
Consistent snowfall that is just
You know where it's at.
in the last couple hours. This will certainly affect driving conditions, which have been adverse already. And our drive-in this morning was incredibly cautious. My drive-in to work, I had to de-ice my car. Now, if you are heading out on the road, I would suggest you do the same. Give yourself a little extra
I have a garage.
Also, warm up your car because it is incredibly cold out here. And if you do need to go somewhere, just make sure that you are giving yourself another little extra time to get to where it is that you need to go because the roads are wet. In Kalamazoo, Carter Landis, News Channel 3.
Carter, thank you. And with all the snowfall, road conditions certainly are not the only thing to be worried about. There are over 1,400 power outages so far throughout the state. Joining us now this morning with Consumers Energy is Brian Wheeler. Brian, thanks for joining us this morning. How are you?
I'm good. My pleasure to be here.